Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to add a book to your wishlist on Reado app. To add a book to your wishlist on Reado, first of all open up the Reado application on your device. Now, go to the search button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. In the search box at the top, type in the name of the book you want to add to the wishlist, or you can also go ahead and search for the books available in different categories inside the search menu. Choose the book you'd like to add to your wish list and then click on Manage. Now, right next to Status, tap on the little drop down and click on Wishlist. After you do that, you can get back and go to your profile button at the bottom right, and you will then be able to see the book in your wish list. Whether you are saving the book for later or just keeping track of your future reads, your wish list is the perfect way to stay organized and make sure those must-read books never slip through the cracks. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Wake&Tech for more tutorials like this. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.